Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where to find your PrtScn screenshots on your Windows 11 or 10 computer, and this is very easy. You can see I have this folder opened up of all my different screenshots. So here's the on-screen keyboard I took a picture of. Now to get here, you can see the pathway on the top. It says my name, pictures, screenshots. So very simple. Go to the bottom, go to File Explorer, go to File Explorer and open this up. And then under here, just go to your name on the left and locate pictures. Locate pictures. And then there should be a screenshots specific folder. And then go to the top to sort and go to name, descending. And your latest one will display on the top right here. And then you can right click on this and copy it, or rename it, or move it and drag it wherever you want. So I got some of these pictures, for example, of me taking a picture of my screenshot or my screen with a phone. So if you hit PrtScn, all your pictures are going to come into here. We can go back and we can see Xbox screenshots. If we go back one more folder, I believe we can go to videos and we can see our Xbox game DVR if we recorded something through Game Bar. And I can open this up. I'm not sure what it is at all. Looks like it's not supported anymore. Sync to OneDrive. I must deleted it from my computer, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.